Good morning. I'm on the Forestry Service Road just outside of Okanagan Falls in southern Okanagan. Today I'm heading up toward Allendale Lake, Solco Lake, and Tuzo. I have been up to this lake several times in the past. One of the things that I point out, this is high elevation and it gets really cold really fast. I've been up here in September and actually couldn't make it up because of the amount of snow. So keep that in mind. It was April I came up here and it was so cold there was still a lot of snow on the side of the road. Anyone trying to get onto this Forestry Service Road, access through Okanagan Falls off Avery Avenue, just going through the mill area, and it's a great day trip. One of the things that you got to keep in mind that you virtually have no cell coverage. Cell coverage is non-existent when you get up very high. So take precautions, bring tools, lots of gas, and really don't expect to see anybody up here. First stop of the day, I'm up at the Allendale campsite. As you can see, there's not an awful lot of people here, but this is a very remote area. I understand the fishing is really good. I'm not a big fisherman, but I think if I was going to go fishing, this would be probably one of the places I'd want to spend a little bit of time in. Pretty isolated area. So far today I've seen a couple of deer, a few jackrabbits, and yeah, it's a really pretty spot around here. And just take a look around here. Might put the drone up for a little bit. Well, we'll see how it goes. Well, I'm back down to Okanagan Falls. Made it all the way up to Allendale Lake. Got some drone footage there. Got some drone footage from Solco Lake. Weather's starting to turn, so yeah, I'm nearly down at the base. Once again, this is high altitude riding, so if you're in an older bike like mine that's carbureted, it's pretty well going to run a little bit rough at elevation. It's a little over 5,000 feet in elevation. Anyway, it was a great ride, and thanks for watching.